Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by mounting the SD card and ensuring the host can read it. This prevents partial writes and preserves metadata. Insert the card into a trusted reader, then connect to your computer or Android device and check Device Manager or storage settings. If Android, enable developer or OTG support so you can access raw files. Once the card appears, do a quick file system check to discover corruption. This tells you whether to attempt repair or full reformat and export key files first. Now diagnose the encryption error by locating the encryption header and file system type. Knowing the algorithm and header location explains why decryption failed. Run chkdsk on Windows or fsck/e2 fsck on Linux to repair basic corruption without touching encrypted payloads. If header intact, attempt decryption with the device key or backup key. If you have an Android full disk key, export it and use Cryptsetup or platform tools. Make incremental copies before each. Finally, focus on safe data recovery and a clean finish. If direct decryption fails, create a full byte-for-byte image and run specialized recovery tools on the image to avoid further damage. Once you've recovered necessary files, reformat the SD card to a reliable file system and re-encrypt using verified keys. Make sure to store encryption keys and backups separately and test restored files immediately to confirm integrity. If you still see errors, retry with a different reader or consult device logs for hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.